Hey guys, welcome back to the channel for another cryptocurrency video. Zambia Cash Flow coming again with another video on JBank. All right, super excited. All right, this is one of my main projects which I'm actually actively pushing because this is something which I believe it's long term and it's solid. All right, let's get into it. Okay guys, so first thing first, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a crypto maniac who's showing you where I'm pumping my crypto and where I'm earning passively. Right, with that being said, right, only invest money which you can afford to lose. This is crypto, everything is crazy high risk. All right, let's get into it, right? And here with JBank, guys, it's actually on live on Binance Smart Chain. Right, all you just need your USDT, right, for you to actually buy the JUP, right? And you need to have a Web3 wallet, right? It can be a MetaMask, Trust wallets, Token Pockets, any other wallet of your choice, but I prefer to use SafePal or Rabi wallets, all right, for this to actually access JBank, right? So you can earn up to 25-57% per year, right? APY, which is just amazing. And this have already expanded over 20 countries, right? All right, so if you look at this right here at the bottom, you got the GAT card, which is a card which you can actually qualify yourself if you stake about 300 JUP. All right, and this is going to qualify you to have access to this Visa card, all right, through the Gate Investment Bank Malaysia. Then you can use this card for your daily spends, right? Currently, there's a promotion which is running, all right, with only 200 JUP. Then you can be able to access this card on a 365 days staking contract, right? So as you can see, guys, here we got the total value locked, or the TVL is about $31.8 million here. And if you go right down here, the price of JUP is currently at 15.47. So we can also go right here and check it out and see this is how the token itself is performing right now. As you can see, right, the price went down, it went up to $16, it went down all the way up to 12. Now we're sitting at $15 in price. And if you check, guys, there's crazy and insane buys which are happening in here. People are buying crazy amount of JUPs here, $3,000 right here, over there. All right, another 3,000, 1,000. All right, and there's more and more buys which are coming through. Others are putting crazy amount of money here, $17,000, as you can see. All right, this is just amazing. All right, how can you actually make money with JBank, guys? So that is what a question you're probably going to ask yourself. All right, here you have a total burnt value of the burnt tokens, right? Because there's a burning mechanism here which is allowing us to remove some of the JUP out of circulation. All right, so for you to stake, you just need to go right here on the top bar. All right, link will be in the description of the video. So if you get onto that link, it will send you right here on the invite, right? And then right here to tell you that you need to bind yourself. When you bind yourself, right, then you're going to have access to your own referral link, right, which you can copy and share with your friends or frenemies so that you can get started with JBank as well. As soon as you have done that, you need to go to the swap option. This is where you need to swap your USDT BP20 to JUP. All right, you can buy, let's say you're coming in with $5,000. $5,000 is going to give you 321 JUPs. All right, so if you want to get to the current promotion, which is ending this Sunday, so meaning you need to get at least 200 JUP. So let me see, 201, you're looking about 3,120 USDT. It can give you access to this GAT card, and this is going to be shipped to you. Right, we're also waiting some of the cards which are coming our way. As soon as I get it, I'm going to show it to you guys as well. And then once you have done that, you need to go to the staking, right? On the staking right here, leaders or guys, here we're getting paid every 8 hours. There's a rebase time which is happening every 8 hours. We're getting paid. All right, and Here you find your staking balance. On this one, I've got 34.7 JUP, which I staked. All right, this is what I've earned in profit so far. All right, and this I actually got a auto compounding feature, guys. You don't need to come and withdraw and reinvest. You can just leave your profits and your capital right there, and it auto compound on its own, right? That's why it's giving us 25.57% as a APY. So basically, it's there's 3 staking contracts: 365, 180, and a flexible one. Right, flexible one you can exit anytime you want, but on 180 days you are locked for 120 days. 365 you're locked for 365 days. All depends with how much you're going to be earning every 8 hours. On a 365 days you earn 0.3%. Here you earn 0.2. Here you earn 0.1%. So you can just come right here and then you press stake. Right, you choose maximum, then you can stake yourself. Right, press stake, then you're good to go. Right, that's how it's done. Once you stake yourself, your contract will appear right here at the bottom, and it will give you also the timestamp when this is going to be expiring. Right, so now the next one is you come to the staking profits. This is where you can see how much profits which you have earned. Currently I'm just gonna leave it to continue to auto compound for me, right, so that I can maximize the gains, right? And there's also a 20 days linear withdrawal here, and your tokens, you're also going to be burning 25% right here as fee, right? On the 25%, there's 12% which is going to be burnt and 12% which is going to stay in the contract. All right, so this is how it is done. Now the next one here, if you come right here on the commission, right, as you can see, I've earned about 3.12 in commissions, which I can withdraw. On the commission side, you only have 7 days releasing mechanism here on commission, right, whenever you actually withdraw. So as you can see, this is what I've made as withdrawal so far. All the details are right here. Probably next time I'll give you a full detailed, right, a comprehensive plan on JBank so that you understand how this works exactly. But I just want to make this quick video just to show you how this is done and what is the progress for myself so far here on JBank. If you go to community, I'm a V3. I'm actually going to V4. All right, so very soon I'm going to become a V4, and we have about 4 directs and 414 members. And as you can see right here, almost everyone is going to the 365 days contract, which is just amazing. All right, and all the contracts you see them right here. You're going to find them here. All the contract, those which are active and some of them which are not active, you get it right there. All right, so yeah, guys, this is JBank for you. You can come right here to apply for the code. All right, this is the business code, right? If you qualify yourself, you just come right here, you apply, you press apply. It will give you a Google form. You go and fill it up, and then the card will be shipped to you so that you can start using. This card is just phenomenal, guys, right? You have a daily spend of $500,000 daily. This is just insane. All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching, subscribing to this channel. This is JBank for you, right? Just a quick review to give you the insight of how this works. All right, also have a turbine here mechanism in place. You can also look into that, but this is the temporary, right? It's not permanent, right, guys? All right, thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate. Links will be in the description of this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Peace out.